just want to tell the story really quick. We went to Thanksgiving. We were coming home on Saturday, the 27th, my mother, my daughter, myself, and I was telling them about Yuron, and they were embracing it and the communication, and I said to them that oftentimes there's always a hawk during the day, and I've often felt that, as crazy as it sounds, that is Yuron. So I said, I just saw a hawk, and I feel bad and always questioning it, but I like to have confirmation it's really him. And then I look up, and there's this disc almost from afar. It looked like a disc, but it was not. And here it was a plane just suspended for at least 35 seconds. And actually, if you think about it, the plane is actually traveling with us. Because it was pointing south. We are going north. I'm going 65 miles per hour. I'm with the flow of traffic, and I'm wondering what other people are thinking as well. So I said to my daughter, I was like, quick, get your camera, videotape it. So she did. This is the videotape, and of course all the still shots that have all the faces, all the souls, all the just very cool imagery that's fascinating, just fascinating. So enjoy. Thank you.
Wait, that's weird.
Please take special note that this plane is not making any noise. That noise is the regular car with the window down. There's no noise coming from this plane. There's none. And there's also no fumes also being expelling from behind it. And of course, it's just sitting there or traveling with us. It was an in-awe experience for sure. Also, please hold your phone at least 12 inches away, because there are a gazillion sceneries and faces within the woods in these still shots, okay? And that's what happens, is that wherever he is, or maybe this is not just wherever he is, maybe this is actually like this all the time. I would like to think so. So do hold the phone far away, watch it in a dark setting, make sure your backlight on your phone or device is fairly high, and that you will be able to see as much as possible that way, for sure. Thanks so much for all your support. I like to point out that all the colors, everything in all of my still shots are straight from the clip. If I have to do anything, I will brighten a picture, or I may darken it with like contrast to see additional images. It is through the lens in which we see this, and I think our phones, with the lens that we have, are able to capture quite a bit. I'm sure I'm clearly not the only one, capturing all this. I think anyone can do this. I think if you just go out and take some pictures and videos and pay attention, you're going to see the same thing, guaranteed. Just don't be afraid of it. Really, do not fear this at all. I have felt no fear at all through any of my interactions. They validated their presence, actually, to my mom and my daughter. They were a little bit shocked, and I was surprised. My mother was accepting. She was like, okay, okay. And she's just like, okay, you're on, thank you. So, I mean, it's crazy unless you experience it. It's just crazy. That's all I got to say. But enjoy these pictures. Again, there's scenery. Keep your phone far away. The colors are just awesome. And how I was actually able to reap some of this is, I don't know, but I'm so glad that I was able to. And I'm also able to share with you. So thank you.